Hi guys, it's Elliot here from Elliot FPV Reviews, and today I'll be discussing my experience with the Gemfan FPV gate. I'm really pleased with it. It has already survived many hard crashes. I've still not been able to seriously damage the gate. I just made some little holes in the fabric, but this doesn't affect the strength of the material since I already hit the same place a few times and it hasn't ripped. So I hope it won't, but right now it's looking really good. And yeah, as you can see, the visibility is very good. This is thanks to the checkered pattern. It becomes more visible in any lighting scene. So yeah, this is a big plus for me since I fly most in the dark at this time of the year. And yeah, in terms of usability and setting it up, I think it's pretty easy and fast. This time lapse at the beginning of the video was my first time that I set it up, and it was very easy and quick to do. I did it in around 4 minutes, but with some more practice I think you can do it a lot faster. All things considered, I really think this is a great gate for anyone that's interested in buying one. I've already flown with a lot of other people's gates, and those were either not as durable or you couldn't see them as easily as this one. So yeah, if you have any questions about the gate or anything else that's quad related, feel free to leave a comment and I'll see you in the next one.